action which is there on my screen. Like I want to go to a folder, okay, C users Nairx test folder. Then I want to list directory content. I have to create a new folder over there. Then again list the directory content and go to folder that I've created. And then create a file story.txt. Before getting into that, let's learn how to create a file. So you see left side, all these files that I have is inside a folder called, I'll show you that, Oxford. So inside users, I have Nairx, and then I have Oxford College, right? So this is the folder. This is the folder I'm creating all my Python files, which is what you are seeing here. Now, if I want to create a text file inside this folder, how do we create? I can just right click here, go to new and go to text document and give here my text file. Okay, my text file.txt I created. Now double click this txt file, and then I write here something. Okay, this is my text file, and it is created to learn file handling. Okay, so this is what I have done. I save it. So this action, what I performed is a manual action. I went to a particular folder. I created a text file, and also I have written something in that text file. The same action you can perform using Python also. Let's say I want to create a file. So the command, let's say I give f equals open. Use open function and give the file name. Okay, let's say oxford.txt and comma. I give pass a parameter w, which means you are going to write, you are going to create a new file. Just one line I have given now. Okay, f equals open oxford.txt and w. So this is going to create a new text file inside the current folder, which you can see in the left side. Okay, left side you can see. So as soon as I run this program, okay, here you can see it will create a new text file called oxford.txt. You see here it got created, which is blank at this time. Okay, this is blank. Here in the folder also you check oxford.txt got created. Okay, so using Python, actually you have created a text file, writing a program. Next step is, let's say I want to create and also I want to write something in that. Okay? So I give f dot write. I give this is my file created for. This is the content which I'm writing in that file. So I run this file. Okay, I click on this, it has this content. This is my file created for Oxford student. Okay, now, okay, so I run this. Similarly, go to that particular folder, you see this particular file, open it, and you see the content. Okay, so you can create and write content using Python. Right? So now let's come back to this slide. Now, we have to perform certain action using our Python program, and these are the action. Go to a folder, create a directory and all that, right? Listing, okay, create a new folder, mydoc, and then all that. So now how we do that? This is the code. So for here, we are using a package, inbuilt package called OS. So we import this OS package. Now here is check. Okay, so this file is performing the same action. Programmingly, what I'm going to do is, So OS is an inbuilt package, and when you give os.chdir means it will change directory. So where we are in different location now, right? So now the control, Python program will change the directory to test folder. Okay. If it is not there, I will create it. Okay, it's not there. So let me create this to make this program more meaningful. Test folder I've created because it is not the scope of the program to create that folder. What it will do, it will go to the test folder and it will list the directory. Okay. And then it will create a new folder called mydoc. Again, it will change directory to that mydoc folder and create a new file called story.txt. And then it will ask the user to enter a story, and whatever user enters will be written in that file, and then file will get closed. This is a step-by-step action. Okay. So here, let me open. So this is the test folder. I open this. This has nothing. It's blank. Okay, it's blank. Now I run this program. Now it is asking, first it has shown me the directory listing, which is blank. See, empty list, nothing is there in that directory. So it is showing blank. It's telling enter a story. Okay. Okay. I wrote one line and then pressed enter. Okay. Now if you go and check, see inside the test folder, it has created a new folder called mydoc. I open mydoc. There is a text file called story.txt. I open that txt file and it is the content is there in this file. Okay. So this is how we automate. Perform automation using Python. Now let's say I change it. Now I give a story one, different file now. Okay. Okay. So now let me make it simple. I simply change to that directory and create a new file, story one now. That's it. Just 6 lines of that, and then it closes. I run it, enter a story, it is correct. This is story 2. Press enter. So now if you check, it has created another file, story1.txt. If you open it, it has the content. Okay. So this is how we create all this file. This is how we created that. What we have learned here is we have learned an OS package. os.chdir will be used to change directory. os.mkdir is used to create directory. And then open function is to create a new file. Okay. Now we'll see the another example file operation. We'll try to read. Okay. So already file is there. Okay. Already file is there. Now we just want to read it. Okay. So what we want to do, we want to import OS package. We want to change directory to this mydoc first, and then we want to open story.txt. And then we want to read it. f.read is to read that story content. Store in a variable called s. Then I am printing s. Okay, which is the content of that. So here we are learning a new method called read. Read. Okay. So open is to open, create the file. The open means in this case, because I have given R, it is opening that file in read mode. Okay. File is already there. It is opening in read mode. If I give W, it will create the new file. It will override the file story.txt. So now you see, if I run this, it is printing the content of the file. In the story of my life, it is printing the content. That is what is this read method. Any question, anybody? So we have learned how to change directory, how to create a file, how to read a file, and how to print the content of the file. Now, in order to remove a file, we use, okay, we use the command called remove. So I just give here, let's say, I change to that directory now, my doc, and my doc has two files, story1.txt. If I want to remove any of those files, I just give os.remove, okay, and I give the story.txt. I give the file name, run this, and see that file is gone. The file is gone. Story.txt is gone. And similarly, if I want to remove story1 also, give story1.txt. Excuse me. So it is getting deleted. So now see both the files got deleted. Okay. Similarly, if I want to delete this my doc folder, okay, I can use a function called rmdir. Okay, simply give rmdir. That is, I move to this test folder, and then I give os.rmdir and then give the folder name. When I run this program, it is going to delete the my doc folder, which is inside test. The my doc folder has gone. Okay. So this is how we perform file operation or file handling using Python.